On today's menu, a recipe so delicious and so easy you'll have so much room for more. Vegan creamy mushroom pasta.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. This recipe is one of my favorite go-tos because it is absolutely delicious and of course, it's super easy.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta. Half-pound cremini mushrooms, finely sliced.
Now for the garlic, just take 2 big pieces, crush them, peel them, and just leave them whole. Kind of feels a little weird, but it will make sense in a minute.
Boil your pasta to package instructions. Sauté pan. Medium-high heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Garlic. Mushrooms. Season with salt. Pepper. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn the heat down to low. Transfer the garlic to the blender. Add some fresh thyme to the mushrooms and give it a stir. Half cup cashews into the blender. Half cup water. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle of olive oil. Blend on high until emulsified. If you don't have a high-powered blender, soak the cashews overnight or boil them in hot water. Heat the sauté pan back up to medium and add half a cup of pasta water. Transfer the pasta to the mushrooms. Cream sauce. Give the pasta a good stir, then turn the heat off. Plate. Fresh parsley. Fresh cracked pepper. Drizzle with olive oil. You can now make this easy and delicious creamy mushroom pasta with absolute confidence.
I mean, come on, seriously. That was really delicious. Really get that nice kind of seared garlic taste. And those mushrooms just kind of absorb all that amazing flavor. Just super creamy, super delicious, and that was incredibly easy to make. Absolutely amazing. By the way, I have a free ebook if you haven't checked it out already. I put together just for you that has 5 incredible, easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check that out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.